Hi guys, today I decided to have an English breakfast. I have my tea, I have my scones, and I have my butter and jam. Would you want to know how I made the scones? Hi again! First, we need to turn our oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then, for ingredients, flour, butter, egg, milk, baking powder, salt, and sugar. So, we start by adding the flour and the butter. The butter needs to be in room temperature so we can get soft scones and not hard pie crust. And we'll be working with pulses to get the sandy textures. This is the exact texture we need, sandy. Now, let's add the baking powder, salt, and sugar. And again. So let's transfer it to the bowl. Now, let's mix the egg a little bit. And put it in the milk. And mix again. Done. Let's make a small hole inside the flour so we can add the mixture. And mix it. Now, I'm gonna put flour on the table so the dough will not stick to it. And put the dough on the table. As you see, the dough is soft. It's because of the soft butter. You can add some more flour to stick it, but not too much, because it will become hard scones. Now, let's roll it. Let's give the scones an egg wash. "15 to 20 minutes in the oven and we're ready to go. So here it is. The scones are ready. It's soft. It smells good, and perfect, delicious, nothing like it. The best scones I've ever tasted in my life. The full recipe you can find in the description below. Subscribe, like, and thank you for watching this video. Bye!